Today on Grilling and Chilling with Al, I'm going to do a sweet and sour chicken with some sauteed vegetables and some hibachi style noodles for a simple cook, an easy cook, and one that is delicious as leftovers. So let's get started. For this cook, we're going to be using red and yellow peppers, green onions, regular onions, some hibachi style noodles, chicken tenderloins that I cubed up, some sliced up mushrooms, broccoli, sweet and sour sauce that I got from my buddy's restaurant called The Walkabout. We're going to have some ginger paste and some minced garlic. We'll need some soy sauce, some sweet chili sauce, some cornstarch, and dull pineapple chunks, and the juice for this cook. And if you want to add a little heat to it, the stuff is amazing. I got it at Costco. I don't mind it at all. So next, all we have to do is prep the chicken, and then we'll get out to the Blackstone griddle and start doing some cooking. We're going to go get started with getting the chicken ready, and we're going to start with putting some soy sauce in there. I would do anywhere from 2 to 3 tablespoons. Coat it pretty well. You can add salt and pepper if you like. I'm not a big fan of that because there's already a lot of sodium in the soy sauce. We're going to mix this up. We're going to let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then once that's ready to go, then we're going to add our cornstarch and get to grilling. So we'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to start with some cornstarch on the chicken. We're going to do about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then we'll mix this up really well, and then we'll get going with the chicken on the griddle. So just do the best you can mixing it up. You really want to get the cornstarch mixed into all the chicken as possible. And our dogs want to be out with us, don't they?
They do.
So we'll just do a little bit more. I guess next time we'll have to get them in the chute. All right, so we're going to go ahead and lay the chicken down now. Start with a good amount of oil because we're going to do a little bit of a shallow fry. Now I'm going to cook the chicken in the middle. So we'll get going. We're going to let this go for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we will flip them, and then once this is done, we get a good crust, we're going to start with the veggies. So we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Let's get this chicken flipped and cooked on the other side, and let this go for about another 3 to 4 minutes, and then once the chicken's done, we'll set it aside and start working on the veggies. So we'll be back real quick. All right, look at that chicken. That's what we're looking for, a nice golden brown crust. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set the chicken aside. I have the far right burner on low so it'll stay warm and still cook, so we can start with the vegetables. So again, we're going to throw down a little bit of oil. And we're going to start cooking. We're also going to start with the noodles as well. We're going to get those to start warming up. Let those start to steam and soften up and cook. And then we'll do the same thing with the broccoli here in a second. And we just want to cook these al dente. We don't want to get them too soft. So we'll just let them go for 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll combine them with the chicken. All right, so come back in a little bit, and we'll get the chicken and the vegetables all combined with the noodles, and then we'll start adding all of our sauces that make this meal amazing. Okay, now we're going to mix everything together. We're going to do the chicken, the veggies, and the noodles, and we're going to make all of our sauces go in here. So that mixed up well. Okay. First thing we're going to start with is the ginger paste. That was 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Sweet and sour sauce. Get that mixed. Pineapple juice, 1/2 cup. Pineapples. Yeah, get in there and get a good video of that. And then we got to get the sweet chili sauce on. And then let's mix, and then we'll let this simmer, and this will be ready to go. What do you think? How's it look? I got my wife working the camera tonight out in the cold. All right, we'll give this a little bit to keep cooking, and then we'll serve it up and go inside and have some dinner. This is ready to go. So I'm going to carefully plate this up. I'm just going to do it in sections. Nope. Let's try it again. going to be eating for a while.
That's good.
Yeah. This is actually a really good meal as a leftover meal. I don't know if I have enough room on this plate. Oh. It's time to take the taste test. Chicken's got amazing flavor, as well as the vegetables. Hey, if you like what you saw today, hit that like button and subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a notification, leave me a comment. Not a notification. Hit the notification button as well. And hopefully you'll make this for your family sometime soon. So thanks for watching Chillin' and Grillin' with Al, and we'll see you next time.